Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name's Lawrence.
And I'm Natalie.
And today we're going to show you 3 of the coolest campfire gadgets, I guess you could call them.
Glamping upgrades.
Glamping upgrades, something like that. So we have some friends here, and there are 3 things that we're going to show you.
Yeah.
2 of them you can see in the background right now, and the other one, if you're a nerd...
Like Lawrence.
Honestly, this is so cool. If you're a nerd, just stay till the end because I got the coolest thing I want to show you.
It makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
So one of them is the FireFork 360. This one's not branded. This was a prototype that Scott and Stacey gave to us at the, what was it, the Switch Up Huddle?
It was.
Yeah, really lovely people, and I'm very excited for them because it's been like 5 years in the making. These are very cool, and you'll see some overlays of how they work and everything. But basically today we're going to be cooking off some chicken kebabs and some cinnamon rolls, I believe. I'm going to put the ingredients for those in the description below. Julie's an amazing cook. She's making it all.
Wait, Julie. So this is the fanciest s'mores stick you're ever going to see. But it's not just for s'mores. I thought it was, but you can put everything on this. We're going to put chicken and vegetables on here. And so it looks really long, which it is. How long do you reckon it is?
5
feet?
foot,
It's like 5 feet long. But the cool thing about that is, well, first of all, let me show you this. Once you've got the meat on and it's cooked, you can just push this and the food slides off. You don't have to get messy. Now, I didn't like the fact that it was so long before, but actually it's genius because it means that you can actually sit down and sit away from the fire and hold this from your seat. You don't have to sit forward, you don't have to stand over the fire, you can do it straight from your seat. The other cool feature it has is, by the way, this is excellent quality, all made in the USA as well. You can see it has a rotating part here, so you can hold this part and you can rotate if you're doing meat or you need to get it equally cooked rather than having to keep flicking it round every time. So it's grown on me, Natalie. I thought it was too big, but actually it doesn't take up a lot of space. In our storage bay, you can just shove this on the side. It doesn't take a lot of space at all. So thank you guys, this is fantastic, great invention, and like I said, the quality is fantastic. So let's see it in action. Julie's cooking us dinner right now. All right, so there is a benefit to having a YouTube channel because every now and then you get sent free stuff. Gonna be honest, all 3 of these things were free for us, but they're all fantastic. We've been using this for, what, over 6 months now?
Yeah, easily. Yeah.
And I know what you're gonna say, it's a solo stove. It's not. It's exactly the same thing, but it's like half the price. Now, I've always wanted a solo stove, and then a company reached out and said, hey, would you want to try this? And we're like, well, we'll give it a go, but I'm probably going to buy a solo stove anyway. We haven't. This is fantastic. We've shown this to a lot of people. I think Rob and Michelle, Our Life Whirlwind, bought one after we had ours. It's exactly the same as a solo stove, works just as well. Like I said, we've had it 6 months. There's no rust, nothing's gone wrong with it. We use it all the time.
And what do we call it?
I can't remember. We call it the Han Solo. And there was some other names as well, some other funny names. So anyway, if you're interested in this, we'll leave the link below, and it's really good. It goes perfectly with these skewers. All right, listen up, nerds. Here it is. This is the Nomvdic X300. I forgot what it was then, but it's the X300. Don't need the box, I got it right here. This is the coolest thing we have ever been sent. And like, I couldn't even wait to try it. Normally I'd kind of unbox this for you, but I didn't. I've already unboxed it and tried it. So this, let me tell you a few things and I'll tell you the best thing about it. This is a Bluetooth speaker with everything you can imagine on it. It's Harman Kardon, and they said Carmen Harden then. It's Harman Kardon, which is excellent sound quality. The quality of this is just amazing. Like, it's really good. I mean, it's a bit plasticky, but I mean, it's really, really good. You have all the controls on the top of this. You can got volume and a few other bits on here that I'll explain in a moment. And then on the back, you can put in micro SD card. You have an auxiliary jack, so you can plug your phone in. You have an audio out, so you can actually send the audio from this out to somewhere else. Has a USB port if you have a USB pen. It has the infrared sensor. It has HDMI. It has a USB-C and the power inlet. Now that's a lot of stuff for a essentially a portable speaker. I didn't actually say that, but it is a portable speaker. And then the best bit, which is this. It's a mirror.
Yay.
How cool is that? You can do your makeup in there and everything. Not really. This is a portable projector. Yes, it is. That's why you have HDMI. That's why you have all these inputs. You can plug in a USB stick and play movies. You can plug in HDMI to your laptop or even to your phone as USB-C. I don't know if the phone will go to this. We'll have to try that later. USB-C to USB-C. So this is a projector. And this does actually work pretty well in the light. We are in direct sunlight right now, so this isn't going to work right now. So I'm going to fast forward by like an hour, and hopefully it should start to get dark. We're going to eat some food, and then I'm going to show you the projector and why you need one of these for around the campfire when you're camping. Alright, it's not completely dark yet, but it's nearly dark, and like I said, this actually is a projector and it does work pretty good even in low light, so it works fine in our house. In direct sunlight it's a bit crap, but here is fantastic. How cool is that? Everyone has a massive smile on their face. Oh, see, big smiles all around. Not really. They just want to. They just want to play the game.
Yeah.
They just want to. Okay, they were. It didn't look like it. So, anyway, it looks fantastic. It takes 2 minutes to set up. It has adjustable legs, so you can put it on a slope. You can adjust to how big or small you want it. Apparently, it goes up to 100 inches.
Ooh, the screen size.
The screen size.
Specify that.
Yeah, obviously not the box. The box, you don't expand the box. Okay. So if we moved it back, it would be huge. We could have it basically most of the rig, but this is perfect just where we want it. So this is probably, what would you say this is, Mike? 40 inch?
Yeah, 6 inches.
It's not 6 inches. It's 40 inch. I reckon that's 40 inch screen. So that's about half of what it does, so it can be much bigger. Anyway, we're going to play some games now. Actually, should we give a bonus tip for this? So we have the fire pit, we have the s'mores sticks, the fire sticks 360s.
FireFork.
Is the FireFork, and we have this projector, which is cool. But also, okay, so the final one is Jackbox, which you can get on Steam, which is like a software program you get for your PC. The Wayward Wags introduced us to this, and many other people, and so have we, and it's such a fun game to play. You play on your phones, it's perfect around a campfire. So yeah, there's a tip, go and check that out. Right, anything else, Natalie?
No, let's get playing.
All right, gonna grab a drink and start playing on this. So quick question before we go to the end of the video. By the way, I'm playing a video of me, which is why it looks like I'm talking with my mouth not moving.
Most people have is your phone hotspot. Normally works.
This is our video from Wednesday, by the way, so you can go and check this out. It's on RV Internet. So just to give an idea, the sound quality is fantastic. But I wondered, is it copyright if I'm playing my own video, my own YouTube video, on my own YouTube video?
It is limited.
Is that copyright?
Yes, it's limited. I was going to say that our phones are unlimited, right?
All right. Well, thank you for watching.
Yeah, our phone data is unlimited, but although
turn the sound down quick. Thank you for watching. I'm going to leave a video up here that you can watch. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the thanks button that we now have, and Natalie, if they'd like to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits, they can
hit the join button.
She got it. All right, thank you for watching. We will see you next week.